Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because Face ID gestures need system permissions. Open Face ID and passcode and authenticate with your passcode. This gives you access to all controls. Once done, enable or disable Require Attention depending on security needs, and make sure Attention-Aware features is set the way you want. Now, scroll to the Unlock options and prepare to change the gesture behavior. This primes the device so the next steps apply immediately and reliably. Next, you modify accessibility behaviors so Face ID unlocks without a swipe. Go to Accessibility, then Face ID and Attention, and enable Raise to Wake so the screen lights as you lift the phone. This lets Face ID start scanning automatically. Make sure Auto Lock is reasonable so the screen stays available, then enable Tap to Wake or add an assistive touch shortcut to bypass swipe gestures. These adjustments change how the lock screen responds, so unlocking becomes a one-step visual confirmation rather than a two-step swipe. Finally, test the flow. Raise the phone and let Face ID authenticate. If the lock screen remains, try tapping or using your assistive touch shortcut. If it still requires a swipe, re-enroll Face ID, capture more angles in both bright and low-light environments, because better enrollment reduces false negatives. Troubleshooting tip. If unlocking consistently fails, reset Face ID and redo setup, then confirm accessibility options again. Doing this usually corrects permission or recognition issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.